Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews and recommendations. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the portable cordless car handheld vacuum cleaner. This little powerhouse boasts a strong suction of 8,000 PA and a high power of 120 W, making it more than capable of cleaning up crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and any other mess inside your vehicle. With its 2,200 mAh lithium-ion battery and fast charge technology, this cordless handheld vacuum can work continuously for 20-30 minutes after just 2-3 hours of charging. And at under 65 dB, it won't disrupt your conversations while cleaning. The package includes 3 different detachable nozzles to meet a variety of cleaning needs, allowing you to reach under car seats and into all the nooks and crannies of your vehicle. Not to mention, it can be easily plugged into your car's cigarette lighter with the included power cable. Weighing only 1.9 pounds, this vacuum is light and comfortable to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Plus, it supports both dry and wet use, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. The semi-translucent debris bin lets you see exactly how much it has sucked up, and the quick and easy trash dumping feature makes cleaning up a breeze. Whether it's your vehicle, boat, home, or office, this vacuum is the ultimate cleaning companion. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dirt and debris, make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this portable cordless car handheld vacuum cleaner. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.